Let's make a quick 3-ingredient summer treat for your dog. First, we're going to start off with some coconut oil. I'm using the organic one. It honestly doesn't matter which one you use. Also, measure with your heart. There is no exact measurements here. Next, we're going to pop it into the microwave for a few seconds until you have it melted down like this. Next, you're going to grab some mint leaves. I, of course, grabbed the organic mint ones. You can use whichever you'd like. Make sure you're picking the leaves off of the stem and placing that on a cupboard because we are going to do some chopping here soon. Now you're going to chop away. Make sure that you are chopping super thin pieces. Once you're done chopping, you're going to grab the bowl with your coconut oil and you're going to mix in the leaves. Next, grab some honey and you're going to give it a quick little drizzle right into the mixture of the coconut oil and mint leaves. Give it a good stir until everything is well mixed. Grab your favorite dog treat molds. These are mine. I got them from Amazon. I think they were 4 for like $9. These are linked on our Amazon storefront and I'll make sure to put that in the bio. Next, you're going to transfer the mixture into the molds. Next, you're going to put these in the freezer for about 3 hours until they're frozen. Okay, and these are the final results. They should look a little bit like this. They should definitely be solid. If they're not, pop them back in the freezer. I find that these are best served when we're out at the dog park or at the beach and when it's a little hot outside in these summer days, especially here in Florida. Coco absolutely loves these. Not only does it keep her cool when it's warm, but they're also super tasty. So try it out and let us know what you think. In addition to these treats being super tasty, there's also a lot of benefits as well. Coconut oil helps digestion, skin and hair, and reduces allergic reactions. Mint contains vitamin A, which strengthens your immune system, and vitamin C, which is good for bone health. Honey controls allergy symptoms, reduces inflammation, and contains powerful antibacterial agents.